Hey, do you see this? Do you know what this is? Let me know in the comments if you do. I think this is a good picture to look at, right? If you don't know what this is chess. And if you are not serious about what's happening right now, you might as well just don't even look here, right? I wanted to do this video real quick because you have to be um, in the mindset of a chess player now. Um, on your individual board and on a global board, right? Everybody's playing chess right now. And if you don't know the fundamentals of chess, you have to be two moves, three moves ahead of your opponent. So, with me saying that, what's going to be your first move? What would be your first move? Will it be this? Will it be this? You get what I'm saying? So, you have to be very, very strategic and have a strategy of what you can do to get your opponent, right? So I want to say that just because this is a time to really think about, hey, chess is being played. And if you don't know what's going on um, in the world right now, I really don't know what to tell you. Like I always say, guys, look, we are in a time of the Most High's word is just coming right in full force. It's dropping right here in our hand, right here in our lap, right here in front of our eyes. So you really got to ask yourself, like, what is it that I need to do? And if you ask me, I would say start your own business. Get some money flowing in that you are comfortable with, so you will be able to survive monthly outside of America, outside of the West. So for me, I think it always starts with right here on the board. You got to realize how to move accordingly so you can benefit your life in the near future, the future that is 2 years, 5 years, 10 years ahead. Um, but I wanted to come on here because this is a serious time, and I feel like most of the things that's been coming uh, across our feed and stuff like that, it gets me thinking like, man, people really just don't know what is happening right now in this world, and people really lose their lives every day. Righteous people, right? Just for example, I have uh, one one of my good friends from high school. Um, I haven't talked to him in a while and stuff, but we was like, you know, that's my bro. And I saw a post the other day that his wife passed during childbirth, and I keep up with him and stuff, and it just really shocked me because it's like him, like just from what I saw, it wasn't like he was out here doing crazy stuff. He was a coach at a high school, coached little league and stuff like that, football, track and stuff like that. He had a baby before. Then I guess this new baby that was in his wife's stomach, um, and she had complications. I'm not sure the details, but I woke up one day and I saw it on Facebook, and I'm like, oh wow, this is wild, this is crazy, and you know, it's it's righteous people, it's people with good hearts, it's people with foundational um, love and find foundational joy and stuff like that, where people are really suffering, right? Anything can happen at a snap of a finger, at a blink of an eye, like really. Um, and what I've been seeing with what's going on with our community of black people. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. And it's like this is what we are worried about. And no wonder that our enemy, the adversary, because I'm just really talking about, Hasatan, the devil, the adversary, right? The bigger picture, right? Spiritual realm type adversary. No wonder they can just sit back and just let us entertain. They can just let us like, oh, no, somebody doing something. It's okay. We can send my little minion or whatever to distract them and cause entertainment and stuff. Because that's just how it is with our people. And it's crazy how we can go back and forth um, with stupid stuff, with the stuff that will distract us, but we can't go back and forth right here on this chessboard because people are literally dying left and right, and it's crazy. It's crazy to think about. I'm like speechless. I'm speechless because that is like really wild what I saw, and I'm just like, oh wow, this is serious. This stuff over here is happening, and this over there is happening, and people are losing their lives. So we are in a serious time, and if you are not trying to be serious to um, sustain your life outside of America, because you can, it's possible. It really is. It's possible, but you have to start somewhere. Or you're just gonna be sitting in your chair, sitting on your couch, just being entertained by what is really caused to be a distraction, right? So for me, I break everything down right now. What's happening to fear? It's a lot of fear. It's a lot of entertainment that's causing fear. That's numbing people um, to a point where you just like sitting there dumb. I don't know if you guys saw the movie Get Out, right? The movie Get Out. You know how they had him down in the basement and stuff, and he was just in a sunken place, like he really couldn't move or nothing. That's how it is. Like they and they tell you right there in the movie too. Like they sit you down in front of a TV screen and stuff like that to program you in the way that they want you to entertain you in the way that they want you to, and it's like it's right there. So you really got to think about like what are you being entertained by? Are you really trying to move to like you trying to have? Are you trying to be 2 moves ahead, 3 moves ahead? Because I saw a post today about how like when you give birth in the hospital in America, they put the baby's footprint on a certificate really, and they broke it down in a way where it's like it's basically like a contract that the Catholic Church or something like that um will do or something like that, and it really gets that deep because that's how they think. So I haven't like really done a lot of research, but I know it's true. I wouldn't put it past anything I saw in that video because it's true. They really try to catch you before you even can even touch down um, on the ground, on the earth, your birthright. You get what I'm saying? So I'm so glad that we had 2 children outside of America, and they are able to you know have their bare feet on this soil because this is their birthright. You get what I'm saying? So it's a lot that's happening, and I hope this new week because it always happens. Like it's so much going on. Um, it always happens like at the beginning of the week. I'm pretty sure, some people gonna be talking about a lot of things this week. But what is your focus gonna be on? I feel like a lot of people are losing focus, and that's why I'm right here in front of this chessboard. I'm like, dang, I gotta focus. I really gotta focus. I gotta be prepared. I'm getting my child prepared. I'm getting my children prepared. We haven't played chess in a couple of days, and I'm pulling it out so we can play some chess for a couple of hours just to, have us think correctly. Um, You know, you got to train your child up in the way that should go. You get what I'm saying? So this is a very important time to take serious. Because if you're not, you're just gonna be stuck. You're gonna be numb. You're gonna be in a chair being programmed. Um, Put it like that. Who are you being programmed by? Because the instructions is there, right there in front of our face, to have an abundant life, to live an abundant life. And you know, on this channel, we always say, you know, your abundant life is outside of America. That's the biggest fear that they know is true. If you cannot, if they can keep you inside the trap, if they can keep you inside of America, you know, they won. So I think the best move is to get outside of America and sustain yourself. Really start your business, get some money flowing. Because if you can make 3,000, 5,000, you know, even 10,000, it's possible a month. You get what I'm saying? You will be well off. You'll be able to starting to invest in things and stuff like that. So with that being said, guys, I just want people just to, you know, fast and pray, you know, seek the most high, see how he's going to lead you in the times that we are in. Um, in this season. Just seek him because it's a time where a lot of people's just gonna fall off. It's a lot of people that is falling off already, and life is too short because anything can happen. Anything can happen in the snap of a finger, in the blink of an eye. Things can happen super fast. So look, it's time, family. Do not play around. It's not time to play around with the Most High. It never was, but it's getting super serious, and we know the word. We know His word is true, and it's coming true week after week, day after day, moment after moment. But you got to choose who you gonna serve this day. I choose to serve Yahuwah. I choose to walk with Yahusha. I am covered in the blood of Yahusha. My household is covered in the blood of Yahusha. We are cleansed in the blood of Yahusha. We are refined every day. He refines us every day to go to the next level where we need to be. So invest in yourself, invest in yourself, invest in your mind, invest in the knowledge that the Most High pours out because it's out here. It's really out here in the world, in this atmosphere. But you just got to really take it serious and take it to the next level. So, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my little talk, my chess talk. Let me know in the comments if you know how to play chess. I might I might start doing something with chess because this just triggers people's mind. I know that. So let me know if you play chess and let me know if you are good at chess. Let me know. I will talk to you next video. Shalom.